friends, welcome to City Lover. How are you today? Today I have a very good product for you. It's a laser hair removal machine by iSilk by High Grade. High Grade is the main producer, manufacturer, seller of this machine, and iSilk is a brand. If you have unwanted hairs on your body, on your face, or on your cheeks, and you already tried so many things like waxing, like already tried you went to skin doctors, you went to hair clinics, and but there is no results, then you have a very good solution and permanent hair removal solution for you. It's a home use IPL laser hair removal machine which you can directly get from the company. Its company name number is 091800060046 and 0015874297878. If you are living in US, Canada, then you call 001458742977878. And if you are living in Asia like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, then you can call at 09180060046. Call them or WhatsApp them directly and send you your address, and they will send you this machine at your home. And now I'm going to unbox this machine before you, and also I'm mentioning Amazon link, Flipkart link in my description. You can buy from Amazon or Flipkart directly. And this is the machine. When we unbox, then first we see this, that it's we see a IPL laser hair removal machine. This is iSilk white and pink color, little bit pink color machine. It's a very beautiful machine and results are also very good, and brand is iSilk. And here is a LCD display. You will see complete flashes, pending flashes and mode over this on the screen. And after this we see company provide us a adapter. By using this adapter we can on this machine, by using this adapter like this, we have to fix this adapter from here. Here you will fix this. And company also provided us razor, because before using this machine you have to shave your hairs for better results like this. And also company provide us this additional lens. Company provide us one lens produce 4 lakh flashes, and already which is installed on this machine, it also have 4 lakh flashes. And goggle company provide us, because laser is harmful for your eyes, so before using this wear this goggle to protect your eyes. So now I am showing you how to use this machine on your face, on your arms, for permanent hair removal. And about sessions, it will take approximately 30 to 35 sessions to get good results and permanent hair removal from your body. But mostly depend on your case to case, your body to body, your hair to hair. So now I am going to plug this machine. So now we have, and now from here you have to press this button for 2 or 3 seconds, and it will now on. You can see that lights blinking here, and here is the flashes number showing. And from here you can change the mode from 1 to 5 mode it have. But first you start with first mode. And now, like if you want to remove your cheeks hair, unwanted cheeks hair, then use like this. Here is the trigger point for to get flash on your hair roots. You like this. Okay. You have to give flashes all over the cheek to get good results for your unwanted hairs, to block those hairs for regrowing. And if you have hairs on your forehead, just use like this. Okay, now again I am showing you like this. Okay, like now if you have hairs, unwanted hair on your arms, on your legs, or on your body, on your chest, then you can like use this. Before using this, remove all these hairs with shaving, and then use like this. After every day you have to get the session at your home, and approximately 30 to 35 session will take you to show you good results. And you can use this machine at the comfort of your home. You can save your thousands of your money from skin clinic, from doctors, and it's a very good machine without any side effects. You can use it at your home like this. Now please don't say like Harry, you already have hairs on your arm, and first remove your hairs. Dear all dears, because I like my hairs, and I'm not a bodybuilder, I'm not a model, I'm not a film actor, film star. So this machine is for you who are in bodybuilding field, are in modeling, acting field. So this will give you good results. If you want this machine, number is 091-8006-0046. It's a iSilk machine by High Grade. You can call them directly, or second number is 001-587-429-7878, and already Amazon, Flipkart links have given in the description section. You can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart too. Thank you, Alvida. Bye bye ji. Sat Sri Akal.